Hello students, I am Adesh Naik and welcome back to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn an important topic of mathematics, that is number system. So in number system we are going to deal with different types of numbers, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. This topic is important from overall mathematics point of view. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin without wasting our time. The first type of number is natural number. So when I write natural number, the thing which comes to my mind is natural number I have learned earlier also, but how to differentiate between natural number and whole numbers, that we are going to learn today. So natural number means it starts with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So I can say natural number are those numbers which consist of all the positive numbers. So all the positive numbers starting from 1. So from 1 and infinity. Second type of numbers are whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? So whole numbers are nothing but it includes 0 also in natural number. So if we'll include 0 in natural number, you will get whole number. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So I can say whole numbers are those numbers which starts with 0 and all positive numbers. Next. So next are integers. So integers are nothing but the numbers which we deal in our day-to-day life. That is all positive numbers, all negative numbers and 0 as well. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dot up to infinity. And here I can say minus infinity. So all negative number, 0 as well as all positive number. And I can represent or I can show this integers on number line. So this is number line. So here we have 0. Here we have all negative numbers. And here we have all positive numbers. So on right side of number line we have all positive numbers. And on left side of number line we have all negative numbers. So these are nothing but integers. So our next type of numbers are rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? So 2 by 3, minus 4 by 5, 5 by minus 3 or 0 by 1 or 1 by 0. Is 1 by 0 a rational number? No, it is not a rational number, but all these numbers are rational number. Now we'll see according to definition. So a number which can be written in A upon B form. So a number in the form of A by B, and condition is where A and B are integers and B is not equal to 0. Hence we got 1 upon 0 is not a rational number, and all these are rational numbers because these are integers. In numerator 0 is allowed, but in denominator it is not allowed. So numbers of the form A upon B are called as rational numbers, and condition is also very important. Next is what are irrational numbers. So simply the numbers which are not rational are irrational numbers, or you can say the numbers which are written inside the root, so root 2, root 3, root 5, and you will find many numbers which are written inside the root, so we can call this also as irrational numbers or the numbers which are not rational. Next is real numbers. So real numbers are nothing but it consists of both rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. So real numbers is rational plus irrational numbers. Okay.